In today's fast-paced security industry, optimizing time tracking is crucial for achieving more. Say goodbye to manual data entry and streamline your payroll effortlessly with the Time Clock app from securityguardmapp. Our intuitive and user-friendly Time Clock app empowers security guards to build a productive work environment. With just one touch, guards can easily check in and out, whether from their mobile or computer. Gone are the days of error-prone spreadsheets. Our Time Clock app auto-organizes all the time clock data, ensuring accurate and transparent tracking of every security guard's clock in and clock out times. Receive live notifications when guards clock in or out, and create custom breaks for your security guards. Define the duration of breaks and effortlessly monitor their time spent. With real-time visibility, using our mobile and web app, you can track total work hours spent by security guards on site. Guards become more self-organized, keeping track of their time effectively. No more worries about time theft or buddy punching. Our Time Clock app guarantees complete transparency, ensuring peace of mind for you and your security team. Spend less time tracking and more time getting things done with securityguardapp's Time Clock app. Optimize your security guard time tracking today and achieve operational excellence. Download the SecurityGuard app now. Compatible with Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Start your free trial and revolutionize your time tracking experience. Visit our website at www.securityguard.app for more information and unleash the power of efficient time tracking with SecurityGuard app. SecurityGuard app, empowering your security team every step of the way.